In this video, you will learn how to use Dropcourse.App in Canada. To use the Dropcourse app in Canada, start by visiting their website and signing up with their email address to create an account. After registration, you can access a variety of digital products such as ready-to-sell courses and memberships. These products cover a range of topics including business, marketing and personal development. These drop courses provide easy-to customize tools like Canva integration to tailor the content to your brand style. You can then launch an online business by selling these digital courses to your target audience. The platform also helps you with marketing by providing social media posts and content to boost your online presence. Additionally, Dropcourse supports secure payment gateway to ensure smooth transactions with your Canadian customers. Whether you're in Toronto, Vancouver or any other region of Canada, Dropcourse makes it simple for you to create and sell digital products, enabling you to run a successful online business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.